We're going to talk about the number one tip, the only tip that you need for social media in this holiday season. Hello and welcome back to my new video. I'm at a hotel right now recording the modules. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm at a hotel right now recording the first modules for my new program. And I thought we should also take this moment to record a new video. So here we are. I don't have a lot of time and this room is a complete mess, so we have to improvise here a little bit. All right, here we are. Today, as you might have already seen in the title, we're gonna talk about the number one tip, the only tip that you need for social media in this holiday season, in this Christmas season, which is my favorite one. So during Christmas season, it's always really busy. We're all getting ready for the holidays. A lot of brands are giving a lot of stuff out on sale because, you know, we're all buying presents for each other. So there's lots and lots of things going on. But my tip is to actually take a step back from social media. With that, I'm not saying that you shouldn't be using social media at all. But, you know, I think what you should be doing, it's also the end of the year, is to really take a look onto your Instagram account or your other social media channels as well, if you have them, and really reflect on what worked this year, what you've accomplished. You know, really take a good amount of time and really just do some analytics to really see what's worked this year, what hasn't worked this year, how far you've come, where you want to head to, all that type of stuff. So really, my tip is to take a step back, chill the F out. Don't obsess over posting all the time. A lot of people are really busy with being with their families and everything. And I want you to really take time for your family and not worry about being online all the time. Your business won't die if you take some family time. And actually, that's my kind of connected tip with that. You can also just kind of make it a point that you're taking a step away from social media during the holidays, because we're all humans, and that actually even allows people to connect with you on a different level. And if you feel like you really want to step it up in the next year, you really want to ace your social media game, then I want to invite you to actually join my new program. As you may have heard already, I actually just launched a one-on-one mentoring program. It's a 6-week program which will really help you to kickstart your business and kickstart a business that you can market on Instagram with ease. In those 6 weeks, we're gonna go through 6 modules and we're gonna tackle everything from working on your mindset to how to communicate your brand, how to define an offer, and obviously also how to do social media successfully. So if you want to know more about that, I have the link for all the information about this in my bio. I am so freaking convinced that this is a great program. I think I really, how do you say that? Like, I really did better than I ever have. So I'm really freaking proud of myself. And I wouldn't want you to miss this opportunity, because also this is like the cheapest price I can even think of. And it's really ridiculous for everything that you're getting. It will not ever launch for this price again. Let me tell you that. This is just me feeling the Christmas vibes and I just felt aligned with this price. That's what it is. So yeah, I invite you to check that out. And then, like I said, chill the F out on Christmas, chill the fuck out during this holiday season, and take a step back and do some research on your account so you can do even better next year. All right, I hope you have a lovely day wherever you are. You're a badass and you totally got what it takes to succeed.